Namaskar. My name is Anne-Marie Rambley of Annie's Culinary Cuisine Limited, and welcome to our Diwali recipe mini-series. This is brought to us by Lions, Roti and Doubles Flour. All our fresh ingredients used in today's recipes are provided to us by Farm Fresh Foods. So we're making today aloo pie, which you could get all over in Trinidad, and with a little variation we're doing today, we're doing pepper pies as well. So let's get cooking. We have some washed potatoes here, and put it in hot water to boil. I leave the skin on because it's not watery when you peel it and boil it. So the skin keeps in that potato flavor and the starchiness in it. Cover and let boil. So today we're using the roti and doubles flour from our friends of National Flour Mills. So this has no baking powder in it. So 6 cups of flour, we're adding 6 teaspoons of baking powder. Salt to taste, so I'm just putting like half a teaspoon. I like using warm water, so this is lukewarm water here. We have 2 cups, we just average it. Make sure you have a clean bowl when your dough is done. So you smoothen up this dough, make it into a ball and let it rest for 15 minutes with a covered tea towel. So our dough has been resting for 15 minutes. We're doing some potato pies and some pepper pies as well. So I'm going to roll out all the balls so you'll see the size that we're looking for. So for the potato pies, we'll do small ones. So this is, you just break it off, and you can make it as big or small as you want. To make our paratha dough for our paratha roti. For the paratha dough for the pepper roti, I like to make it small because I don't like very big, thick layers of roti. So I'm just making 2 pepper roti with this. Okay, so we're sticking our potato with a skewer to check if it's ready, and then we take it out and let it cool, and then we peel it. Okay, so our potatoes are cool, so you just take a knife and it will quickly peel. I like to do it when it's still hot, so when you use the masher to mash it, it mashes completely, and I leave little lumps in it. So you just basically peel it and you squish it, and you get mashed potatoes. And you can make this as fine or as coarse as you want. I just like little lumps in it so you'll know it's potato you're eating. So to the potatoes we're adding, you always add salt to taste, 1 teaspoon onion granules, 1 teaspoon garlic granules, half teaspoon black pepper. That aids with digestion, so I always use that. You have some roasted jeera, so I'll put about 4 in it. To that we have some finely chopped onions, 2 tablespoons, 1 teaspoon of grated garlic, 2 tablespoons of pimentos. It is pepper roti, but it don't necessarily have to have pepper in it, so you could add as little or as much as you want. So if you don't want pepper, you don't even put pepper in it. I just add like half of a pepper and just mix all of that. Clean hands are your best tool, but because of the pepper in this, I want to get a good mix in here, so I'm using gloves. So our oil is hotting. So while that is happening, we take the ball dough, for the pies, and we just flatten it into a little disc. Make sure the ends are thinner than the middle because the potato have to go in the middle. You could put as little or as much potato as you like. Try to narrow it so when you close it, it wouldn't be spilling off. So for the pepper pie mixture, it's simply, I put mushrooms. So today we have some fresh white mushrooms from Farm Fresh Foods that we're using. So we're gonna just place that in here, and as much or little cheese as you like, and close it up. It looks small, but I'm gonna flatten it and spread it out when. See, and it has a lot of potato filling in it. There you go. And you could add pineapples, mushrooms, cheese, anything you want to this mixture. Pepper roti in the form of a pie, which tastes equally good. So same procedure with regular pies, you just place it gently into the hot oil and fry until golden brown. So these are our potato pies, also known as aloo pies, and we made pepper pies today. Today's pies were brought to you courtesy of our friends at Lion's Brand Roti and Doubles Flour Mix.